Hello, how you doing? We're going to make this wonderful pasta today. Really simple. We're using Gorgonzola, which is a nice Italian blue cheese with cream. I'm going to concentrate on the sauce. Get the pasta that you want ready. Let's get going. Welcome back to How to Cook With. Okay, look, this is really simple. You can see I've got my pasta cooking at the back. So get the pasta that you want cooked. The pasta I'm using is a 4 cheese pasta. You know, it's kind of one of those pre-made. I'm not taking the credit for it. Any pasta works, anything you like. In there, I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, 1 cup of onion or shallots cut small, half a cup celery. Let's go on that for about 4 to 5 minutes. So while this is gently cooking away, I just want to show you, we're going to use some Gorgonzola. There's 200 grams there. I'm going to use about half of that. Now if you wanted, you could have put some oregano in this or bay or anything like that. I'm keeping it very straight. What we're going to do now is we're going to nick a little bit of the water from the pasta that's cooking. We're going to add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to go with some cream, straight single cream, as we call it in the UK. In it goes. That's 300 ml of cream. Beautiful, so easy this. Then there's 100 grams of the Gorgonzola. We're going to chop that in. This is quite a sharp one. You can get one that's a little bit more mild than this, a little bit sweeter and less blue. We're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. In that time, I'm going to drain off the pasta. We're going to be adding the pasta to this. And it's done. It really is fabulous. Beautiful. So the cheese is melted into the sauce. There goes the pasta that I'm using. In it goes. We're going to go with a little bit of fresh basil. That pasta's really nice and hot. Off goes the heat. Little mix for a minute or so. Job done. Beautiful stuff. Okay, that is beautifully simple and delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.